Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how NORAD tracks Santa Claus flying around the world using our iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the NORAD Santa Tracker app on your phone. Once you are in, you will see a Santa Tracker countdown and colorful maps. This is where NORAD updates Santa location in real time. On Christmas Eve, the map shows Santa moving from country to country, which you can watch him deliver gifts to children all around the world. To track Santa, tap on Track Santa or Watch Santa. It shows Santa's current location and where he is heading next. It also shows the number of gifts delivered so far, and that's it. On Christmas Eve, you can watch Santa's Claus travel around the world in real time right from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.